Hello and welcome to VGK Project. In this session we will look at how to edit your schedule using the schedule blocks. We'll continue to develop the schedule that we created in our previous session. So just as a recap, let's remember that a schedule is created from individual schedule items. Each item has a specified link type, duration, a predecessor, and it's also linked to the job that it's a component of. So now we'll take a look at how to develop this schedule using the schedule blocks. To start, go to Add Schedule Block. You'll now be able to specify the template, the parent schedule and the predecessor that you want to use. By choosing the main schedule as your parent schedule, the new block will be added into the main schedule, or you can select one of the existing schedule items. If you choose one of the schedule items as your parent schedule, then the new block will be added into the item's subschedule. So for now we're going to choose the main schedule as a parent. To choose a template, use the Select button. You'll be asked to choose from one of the available templates, and then to choose one of the existing blocks. You can review the details of this block by entering the template label. So the schedule block is in essence a type of a template which contains a subsection of a schedule. As you can see, for each item a duration and a link was already specified, as well as predecessors and dependents. When a template is selected, you can adjust several factors that we'll explore later. So we'll just finalise this step with the Select button. You also need to specify a predecessor. For now we'll choose the item Complete Wall Frame. And when all three components are set, you can add the schedule block by clicking the Create button. And a new block has been added into our schedule. As you can see, durations were imported from a template, as well as predecessors and dependents. With this information set, the item is already positioned on the calendar. But the schedule item contains much more information. Let's explore a little bit more in detail and look at another section. As you can see, there can be several certain activities specified within each item. And when we import a schedule block, the activities that are part of that block are also imported into the schedule. Note that the activities come with their planned man-hours set, which you would already have specified when creating your template. In fact, every item can have several components, like materials, activities, equipment, as part of a template, which can then be easily imported into your schedule. So let's take a more detailed look at the process of selecting a template. We'll add another template into the schedule. See that when a template is selected, several checkboxes and text boxes become available for editing so that you can modify the information as you need. With these checkboxes you can choose which components you want to import from a template. So these components include activities, subcontractors, materials and tools equipment. And in addition you can also import job links and the budget target. You can choose which components of a template to import into your schedule by selecting or deselecting these boxes. And you can set several factors to adjust the value amounts. So the duration factor is used to adjust the time frame of your imported items. Template item durations will be multiplied by the number that you set here. And the budget factor is used to adjust your budget target. The main factor is used to calculate the amount of the activities, the planned man-hours, the budget for subcontractors, materials and equipment. So using these factors you can adjust the imported values to get a better, more accurate result when establishing the targets for your project. So we will set a predecessor item and add another schedule block to our schedule. Again, if we take a look at the items added from this block, we can see that its basic information was preset, and the durations were adjusted according to the factor specified. Activities were also added from a template. In fact, this activity is already assigned to the same employee that was allocated a matching role within the project. So to look at other components, let's open the schedule item details. And here you'll see that every schedule item has activities, subcontractors, materials and equipment. And for each section, information was imported from a template and adjusted according to the specified factors. So to review your results of your schedule development, you can also visualize it in a Gantt chart. As you can see, schedule blocks is a very efficient and powerful way of developing your schedule. Using various combinations of schedule blocks, you can quickly develop a schedule that reflects the needs of your project. With schedule blocks, you import not just the individual items, but also the whole work scope components. Using the available factors, you can get precise estimates for the completion of your project's target. In the next session, we will create a new schedule from a template and discuss the template's features. Thank you for choosing VGK Project. You can learn more about our products at www.vgksolutions.com.